you enjoying a bath in the bathroom? Having a little kitty spa day? Oh, sorry, didn't mean to interrupt your bath and your nap. You're doing what cats do best. Relaxing and bathing. It's a good life, Jack, isn't it? It's one of your favorite spots. Look out the window, see the birds. You got bird TV while you enjoy your spa day. Happy spa day, Jack.